Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Writer. What I want to demonstrate today is how to create a table of contents in a document. Now to do that, you need to use heading styles, which you get from the ribbon up here. And the first one I want to use is heading 1. If I click on heading 1, all the styles become available. And if I click into the document, now that format for heading 1 is what I'm going to type. I'm just going to type introduction. So you've got to use heading styles to get this feature. I'm going to press enter, and when you press enter, it goes back to the default font type. So I'm just going to type some characters as if I'm typing a paragraph, and I'll just quickly get some text across the screen there. So that's my first paragraph with heading style 1. I'm pressing enter a couple of times. Now I want heading style 2, which is that one. It's just a different format, and you can modify the format if you don't like it. But now I'm going to type part 1. So part 1, press enter, type some more paragraphs like so, come down, and then I want to do another heading style. I'll do another heading style 1 and call this part 2. You see the difference in the font, and then type some text across the bottom like that. So that's basically what you have to do. And like I said, if you want to edit the style, you can edit the style, or you can update it from a selection. So if you just type the word introduction, made it bold, italic, underline, for example, and change the size, you could then highlight it and update it so it becomes heading style 1. Or you can click here and it'll open up a dialog box, and then you can set the style in here. I'm not going to do that, so cancel that. What I want to do now, though, is insert the table of contents. So if I press enter on that to give myself some space, if I go to the Insert tab, down the bottom here, you've got Table of Contents, and then you can select it from there, Table of Contents, and it gives you the option to change the settings of however you want this. I'm going to leave it as Table of Contents, entire document, and you've got this information here. So all of that is the default. I'm going to click OK to that, and it will just drop this in. If you need to update the table of contents, you can just basically right click on it and select update index. So if there's any changes, it will pick that up. So if I put this onto page 2 by doing Control and Enter, come back up to the top, they're all saying page 1 at the moment. Right click, update index. You can see that's now saying page 2, so it's added that through. If I come back down and add some more text, so if I go heading 2 on this one and call it phase 1, and then just type some text, go back up to the table of contents, right click, update index, and then that will add that one in. So this is a dynamic area. It's looking for table of contents item references, in this case heading styles, throughout this document. That's what it's doing. So that's all I want to talk about in this video, how you can use heading styles and then generate a table of contents from or based on those heading styles. So hopefully this video has been of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.